Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to verify a domain in Facebook Business Manager. This is an essential step for establishing ownership of your website and unlocking advanced features like improved ad performance and brand protection across Meta's platforms. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, navigate to facebook.com in your browser and log in using your Facebook business account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Facebook homepage. From here, look at the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts. Click on your Facebook business page, which should be listed there. This will take you directly to your business page management area. Once you're on your Facebook business management page, turn your attention back to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll need to locate the Meta Business Suite option. Click on it to proceed. The Meta Business Suite is where you'll handle most of your business-related settings and tools, so getting familiar with this dashboard is really valuable. You'll now be directed to your Meta Business Suite dashboard. At the top of the screen, you'll see a profile drop-down menu. Click on it and a business portfolio selection will appear. From this drop-down, look for the gear icon, which represents your business settings. Click on this icon to access the full range of configuration options available for your business portfolio. Within your business portfolio settings, scroll down until you find the brand safety and suitability section. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu appear with several options. From this drop-down, select Domains. This is where all your domain management happens, including adding new domains and verifying existing ones. You'll now see a list of all the domains you've previously added to your Meta Business Suite account. To add a new domain for verification, look toward the top right part of your screen and click on the plus add button. A dialog box will appear presenting you with two options. The one we're looking for is create a domain, which allows you to verify an existing domain you own. Click on create a domain and a domain field will appear. Type in your domain exactly as it appears without the http:// or www prefix, then click on Add. Once your domain is added, Meta will provide you with 4 verification steps that you'll need to complete. These steps typically involve adding a meta tag to your website's HTML or uploading a verification file to your hosting server. This confirms that you actually own and control the domain you're trying to verify. Follow each of these 4 steps carefully, and once you've completed them, return to Facebook Business Manager and click the Verify button. Meta will check for the verification code, and if everything is set up correctly, your domain will be successfully verified. And that's it. You've successfully added and verified your domain in Facebook Business Manager, giving you greater control and security over your business presence on Meta's platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.